Hi guys, welcome to another telecast in Excel. My name is Nono. I want to say thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a video. Now this video is sequel to the video I did on highlighting the max and mean charts, okay? The maximum and the minimum values in a column chart, okay? And that's why I still have it here, okay? So I showed you how to highlight the maximum, which is for April 1700, and for June, which is the minimum 140. And of course the colors, the maximum is always highlighted in green. So if I change March to say 1800, now we can see that March becomes the max and it's highlighted in green. June is 140, so if I changed August to 130, okay, you see August becomes the new minimum and it's highlighted in red. Okay, now I'm going to take this off because in this video I'm going to be showing you how we can highlight the maximum and minimum values on a line chart using markers. Now we had two series that we had to add. Now if you haven't seen how I did this and the conditional logic, I'll suggest you watched the previous video, which is highlighting the max and min on the column chart. I'm going to leave the link in the description, okay, so you can also watch that. But okay, I'll just do a quick and show you what I did. Okay, now Excel has the max function and the min function. Okay, the max function basically returns the largest value in a range. Okay, as conventional, we start Excel formulas with an equals to, so we do equals to max, and then we select the range, okay, and then close parenthesis and press enter. And so 1800 is the largest value within the range, so we do min, okay, which is the minimum value here or the lowest value in this range, and we select our range, close parenthesis and press enter. So 130 is actually the smallest value in the range. So we use the match function and the max and the min function. Now we wrote a conditional logic saying that if this value here is the max value in the range, return this value. If not, give us an NA. Now the reason why we used an NA is because if we plotted maybe a 0, we would see like a some kind of marker or some kind of point, and we don't want that on our chart. Okay, that's why we use an NA. And so we had this new series, okay, and obviously there's just one max value, which is in March, and there's a minimum value, which is in August. Now we're going to insert a line chart, okay, because we're going to be doing this in a line chart. Now to insert a chart in Excel, you select your data range, okay, which is what we're selecting. Now we click on the insert tab and we go to line chart, which is this one. Okay, now first thing I'm going to do is to resize the chart. Okay, yes, resize the chart. Okay, and try to snap it to grid alt. Okay, good. And then yes, so we have our chart basically. Okay, I can take off these grid lines here just to make it look better. Take off the axis labels. Okay, now I showed this trick in my previous video, but I'm just going to do it again. Now when you have a chart like this and you select the chart and you want to add a new series, you don't have to right mouse click, go to select data. No, you don't have to do that. Once you select the chart, it shows you your data range or your chart range. Okay, now these are your values that is plotted on the chart. Okay, so you come to the bottom right. Now when you come to the bottom right, you see the way the cursor becomes. It has an arrowhead on both sides. Once it's like this, you will left mouse click or you click, okay, because left is the click, and then except your mouse is configured in another way. So you click and then you just drag and you include the max series and the min series. Okay, you can't see them here obviously. Okay, Now what we're going to do is to click on any point here, and then you right mouse click and go to format data series. Now when you go to format data series, now the first series you want to format is the max series. So we're going to click on series options and click on series max. Okay, that is this. Now for us to be able to see it, we need to change the marker type. Okay, so we're going to come to here, the fill section, and under markers, right, we're going to go to marker option. Now Excel has built-in markers. Okay, that's what we're going to use, but we don't need the square one. We're going to select the circle, and we're going to increase the size to about 14. Okay, now we're not going to put any fill because we want to be able to see that particular marker. And then for the color, because it's the max, we're going to make it green. Now the dash type, we're going to make it this, and I think the width, we're going to make it 1.5. Alright, I think we're good to go on the max. Now we're going to come back here to series options and select the minimum series. Okay, and on that marker, we're going to go to built-in, a similar thing to what we did. Go to this particular marker option, which is the circle, and the size is going to be 14. Now we're going to select no fill for this, and then for the border color, we're going to select red just to indicate that it's the minimum. Now for this, we selected 1.5, and then for the dash type, this is what we selected. Okay, so now we have both the max and we have the min. Okay, now we're not done yet. Okay, we'll go to series options, and then we select the normal series, and with this selected, we're going to add our data label. Okay, now for the data label, okay, you can see already. So what, let's add, okay, above, yeah, well, let's go to more options first and see all that we can do. Okay, we can select to the right. All right, that's good. Let's select to the right so that we can see the values very well. Okay, I can close this pane and then add a chart title. Okay, and above the chart. Now the chart title, to change the title, once you select on the chart title, come to the formula bar, do an equals to, and then you can select whatever you want the chart title to be. Well, I want mine to be sales in thousands. Okay, and then I select it. Okay, now we have our line chart, and now this is the maximum, and you can see the marker shows that this is the maximum and it's in green. This is the minimum, the marker shows that this is the minimum. Now a maximum was in March, which is 1,800. Now if I come to say September and I put 1,900, now see exactly what happened September, and then you can see that the marker is here, and the minimum value was in August, 130. Now look at what happens if I make February 120. Okay, and then we can see, and it's highlighted here. So this is how to highlight the max and min on a line chart. Okay, and this helps you at quick look, you can just see. Okay, thank you for watching.